What if the universe you live in was born from the death of another? We've all heard of black holes, those terrifying, all-consuming voids in space where not even light can escape. But what if we've been looking at them all wrong? What if they aren't just cosmic destroyers, but creators? Imagine this. Every time a black hole forms, it doesn't just swallow matter. It rebirths it, spitting it out into an entirely new universe. Could it be that inside every black hole lies a Big Bang waiting to happen? This idea isn't science fiction. It's a real, mind-bending theory scientists are exploring right now. And if it's true, it could mean that our universe is just one of an infinite cascade, born from a black hole in another reality. Ready to peer into the most mysterious doors in existence? Let's step inside a black hole and see what's really on the other side. Black holes have long fascinated us. They're among the most mysterious objects in the universe, regions where gravity is so strong that time, space, and even reality itself begin to collapse. Traditionally, we viewed them as cosmic endpoints. Once something crosses their event horizon, it's gone. Forever. But what if that's not the end of the story? What if that's just the beginning? In today's video, we're diving deep, literally, into one of the most mind-blowing scientific ideas out there. That black holes could be the seeds of new universes. Yes, really. This theory, backed by serious physics, suggests that each black hole might contain a new universe inside it, completely cut off from our own, yet born from our universe's matter and energy. We'll break down exactly how this theory works, what it means for the multiverse, and whether our own universe may have been born from a black hole in another cosmos. And don't worry, this isn't just wild speculation. We'll explore the real science behind it, general relativity, quantum mechanics, cosmology, and how they all collide at the singularity. So buckle up. This journey is going to challenge what you think you know about reality. Because when it comes to black holes, the deeper you go, the weirder things get. The nature of a black hole. The ultimate collapse. At their core, black holes are gravity gone wild. They're formed when a massive star dies in a supernova explosion. If the star is heavy enough, its core collapses under its own gravity, compressing into a single point, what physicists call a singularity. This singularity has no size but infinite density. It's where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once something crosses it, there's no way back. But here's the twist. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, this singularity isn't just a point in space. It could also be a bridge, a portal to somewhere else entirely. Imagine crushing a city into a grain of sand. That's the kind of compression we're talking about. Now imagine that grain of sand punching a hole into another dimension. The extreme conditions inside a black hole might not destroy matter, they might transform it. Einstein's equations. Don't forbid new universes. When you follow the math behind black holes, an odd thing happens. Einstein's field equations, those beautiful yet brutal laws governing space-time, don't actually prevent a new universe from forming beyond the singularity. In fact, some solutions to those equations require it. One such solution is the white hole, the theoretical opposite of a black hole. While a black hole pulls everything in, a white hole spews everything out. And here's the mind-blowing part. Some scientists believe that a white hole could be what lies on the other side of a black hole, in another universe. The concept stems from Einstein-Rosen bridges, or wormholes. These mathematical models suggest space-time could be folded, linking one region to another, or even one universe to another. The math allows for it, and in physics, if the equations permit something, we can't ignore it. Loop quantum gravity and the big bounce. Here's where quantum mechanics crashes the party. At the singularity, general relativity breaks down. But loop quantum gravity, a newer theory aiming to unite gravity with quantum mechanics, offers a fix. Instead of a singularity where everything collapses into nothing, this theory proposes a bounce. The collapsing matter doesn't disappear. It compresses to a tiny volume, then rebounds, creating a Big Bang in a separate space-time. This is called the Big Bounce theory, and it directly links black holes to the birth of new universes. Researchers like Abhay Ashtekar and others have simulated this in models. Their work shows how the mathematics of quantum gravity allows for a collapsing universe to bounce back, forming a new expanding cosmos. Black holes may be the gateway from a dying universe to a newborn one. Our universe could be born from a black hole. Here's the twist that flips everything. What if our universe is inside a black hole? According to some models, the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, just the beginning of our local universe. It may have emerged from a black hole in another universe. That black hole's singularity became our Big Bang, and from it, everything we know, space, time, energy, exploded into existence. Imagine a being in the parent universe watching a star collapse into a black hole. From their side, it's the end. But inside that collapse, in a different space-time, another version of you is being born. The math checks out. Physicists like Nikodem Popowski have proposed this exact model, suggesting that black holes are wormholes that seed new universes with slightly different physical laws. We could be someone else's cosmic offspring, and we might be creating new universes ourselves. Implications of a black hole. Multiverse. Now let's go cosmic. If each black hole creates a new universe, then reality isn't a single thread. It's a vast branching tree. Each universe could have slightly different laws of physics, constants, or structures. Some may be lifeless. Others could be even stranger than ours. This isn't just theory. It ties into cosmological natural selection. Universes that produce many black holes would, in turn, create more universes, evolving toward traits that maximize black hole formation. Our universe has just the right properties to form stars, galaxies, and black holes. Maybe it's not a coincidence. Maybe these traits are being selected through cosmic evolution. If black holes create universes, the multiverse is real, and we are part of an infinite cosmic family. All right, I have to ask, what do you think lies inside a black hole? Is it a door to another universe, a cosmic recycle bin, or something even weirder than we can imagine? Drop your wildest theories in the comments. I read every single one. And let's be honest, the possibilities are endless with a topic like this. Maybe you've got an idea no one's thought of yet. Also, if this video sparked your imagination or made you question reality a little bit, give it a like and share it with someone who loves space and mind-bending ideas. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because we've got more cosmic mysteries coming up you won't want to miss. Seriously, the next topic is even crazier than this one. So, what if black holes are more than just cosmic destroyers? What if they're creators, unseen architects of countless new universes? Today, we explored a theory that turns our understanding of space and time upside down. We saw how Einstein's equations allow black holes to be bridges, not just endings, how quantum gravity replaces destruction with rebirth, and how the very black holes we observe today might be launching whole new realities beyond our comprehension. And here's the wildest part. This isn't just science fiction. These are real scientific models, backed by serious physicists trying to answer the deepest questions we can ask. Where did our universe come from? What happens inside a black hole? Are we alone in the multiverse? If this theory is true, then every star that dies in a blaze of glory might be planting the seed of a new universe. Every black hole, a cosmic womb. And you're part of a reality that might just be one branch of an eternal cosmic tree. So the next time you look up at the night sky and wonder what's out there, remember, the universe may be far stranger, far grander than we've ever imagined. Smash that like button if your mind is blown. Subscribe for more mind-expanding journeys, and share this video with someone who dares to wonder. Because this isn't the end, it's just the beginning.